Mashigi, Tangdu Laitadraba Landam Mase, Santi Purakpa, Ningtama Purakpa Oisunu Haina, Wahodo Oina, Hodok Seri. Aina Hajagadori Vase, Democracy Matin Lojaraga, Ishagi Aning Apamba Kajiktan Pondok Sage. Soikiba Yorbasu Pangzedraba Apokpa Nasananauni Kanduna Ngak Pinaba, Kubak Sangzo Taraga Loinana, Ikok Malem Naidatana Kurumjeri. Ahanbada Yamna Nungaiba, Amaromdana Tamoi Sokpa, Kanglaipa, Asida Pokchaba, Machin Manaugi Marakta Manadaba Mityang Yangbase, Kanglaicha Singi Tamoida Penjade. Aikoigi Luchingba Naringwam Samarjit Mahakna, London the Satuna, Kanglaipa, India Dagi Ning Tamle, Hairobagi Damak Mahakpo. Mahaki Matakta, Epire Panba and I, the Sinaba, IPC section Singba Panbiri. Aduga, Kanglaipak Asida Pokpa, Muivana, Makuta Kulai Paiduna, Nagaland the Satuna, Kanglaipaki Mayokta, Labadi, Epire Pandaba, and I, the Sinadaba, IPC section Singba Pandriba Karigi. Asigumnaba Michung Mikai Naiba Tawong Ase Kanglaya Singi Tamoida Bendaba Kolaukaya Laura Karigumba Karada Kanglaya Singda Ucherke.
I have read out all the series of killings. There's more than 1,587 cases pending in the Supreme Court of India, and in the extrajudicial killing and the fake encounters and the rapes and everything and the extortion is being, and our news is not being published in the world. It's a purely totally manipulating. And even they are not following the charter of the Human Rights Charter. India government is not following the United Nations Human Rights Charter. Because when you calm down, when you see, your medias, the world medias reach to the state of Manipur, you'll feel something terrible. It's really 150 days blockade, national highways. And now they are talking with a peace talk with the armed groups. And they are separating, and we are going to be distinct from this whole world. And we raise our voice to the whole world that we are also, the peoples living in Manipur are also human beings. If the world is treating us as a human being, the whole world should respect our history. So we need support from all the humanity of the world.
Just wanted to make sure I understand correctly. You made this.
Aikoigi Athoba Naringbam Samarjitpu Kanglaicha Singna support Tobiduna Kanglaipak Ase Hanagum Ning Khatamna Mikha Pondana Hingminasi Kanglaipakna Yaifare Maitei Pokpi Ima Laibakna Yaifare